Hello and welcome. My name is Marcel Irnie, and this is my 1999 Ford F350 with the 7.3 Powerstroke, and it's been sitting here in storage for a year. Right now it's October 9th, 2018, and the last time I drove this was in October of 2017, so it sat through a nice cold winter, and I just threw in the batteries that I had stored inside, and they're still good. Just topped them up on the charger. The dual from Costco, and there's my Duramax, and so I don't drive this truck. This is just my dirt bike truck or work truck, so you know, let's see if it works here. I'm gonna throw you guys right on this magnet here, bam, so you can get a look at that, and I'm gonna run the glow plugs and stuff, and give it a boot. First turn, first try, guys. It's kind of dirty in here, you gotta wash it. I just noticed I missed my positive cable for my stereo, so I gotta put that on there. Got the Donaldson intake, so I've been storing this thing. It has the AMSOIL Diesel Concentrate in the fuel, diesel Cetane Boost, and I'm gonna take it for a little drive around the property. Oh, just a little bit of smoke out the back. And for those who follow along, who remembers the Rally Miata right there? That thing's got to put a battery in that next and rock her out. See how tight the parking spot I made was. Anyways, if anybody's looking for AMSOIL, I got my own dealership as well. This thing is, the seat is freaking beat, but I don't care. I don't want to put any money into this car. And yeah, this thing's gonna rock out. The roll cage in the back. It's got winter tires, so when the snow flies. So anyways, and I'm running the 530 heavy duty diesel in this truck. 530 heavy duty diesel, 6-speed manual. Check out the custom stereo I got going, so I gotta get that positive cable on in the doors. And I'm running the old V12 from Alpine Star. No, Alpine Star, I mean Alpine. But just a little W6 sub. Little W6, so anyways. That's awesome. That was my phone mount. Oh, and for those curious, so obviously there's the Duramax, and here is the motorcycle. This is what I do, obviously. So I was working on Emirates, nice and clean, changed the spark plugs, changed the coils, and I still got a little bit of cleaning to do on the rest of it, and that's it. Alright, let's go get some tools as well for put that negative on. Oops, I want see, look at all the wrenches I got. So obviously swivel, you got like a 30 degree, you got straight, you know, with the socket wrench, right? Right, there you go. One hand is kind of tough. So to get that side off was a 12, I believe. Just to show you a little more. Oh yeah. For those curious, a little more. More. And some Imperial in the top as well. The deep sockets, electrical, on and on and on. That's Seattle Tool out of Canada. I got another box here and another box here. And lots of AMSOIL. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my unedited videos on the Irnieracing WM channel. So definitely highly recommend the AMSOIL, of course, and you can order directly from AMSOIL anytime. 1-800-777-7094. and you'll need a referral. Just use my name, Marcel Irnie, or 149-8525 is my AMSOIL dealer number. So anyways, thanks for following along. Bam.